What you are looking at right now is a fully deployed full-stack web application. It has a user authentication, a PostgreSQL database, a backend logic, and a live URL. And I built this entire thing start to finish using one plain English prompt. Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. In today's video is sponsored by Logen. If you are tired of spending hours setting up databases, configuring backend, and messing with hosting just to test a simple app idea, this video is for you. So what is Logen.io? It is an AI app builder. Instead of just giving you code snippets to copy and paste, Logen takes a plain English description of your idea and builds the entire full stack application for you. It handles the user interface, the backend logic, user authentication, and it even spins up a PostgreSQL database for you. The best part, you don't have to configure a separate database, set up a backend service, or figure out hosting. Logen handles all of that and gives you a live URL with SSL when you are done. New users can start without a credit card and get free credits to test it out, which is great for founders, students, or even developers who want to prototype an idea fast. Let's build something from scratch. Since you guys are coders and tech enthusiasts, I thought a great test would be a developer project manager, a dashboard where I can track my coding tasks. So click link in the description and open Logen.io website. After opening this, create your account here. So after creating your account, you will face with this interface. So in the interface, first of all, we can select a model. The default model is Claude Sonnet 5. We have all models here. Claude, Anthropic, Google, GPT, NVIDIA, Queen, and other open source and closed source models are listed here. So you can select one of the best and powerful model like Claude Opus 4.8 or GPT or Google Gma 4 or Kimi K3, these models. So I will go with Google, Claude Opus 4.8, but we now one of the most powerful model. So after selecting your model, so here we will type our prompt. So the prompt is build a full stack web application called DevTrack, a developer project management dashboard. It has authentication, the project detail and task detail, and also create, edit, and delete, and the PostgreSQL database. So this is my prompt. I just explained my project, so it will create this entire project with backend, authentication, and everything. So even if you want to just see your prompt, so you can use this voice icon, so whatever you want, so you can read and it will type that. And here you can attach everything that you want. So that's it. Now we will press this start building. So it will start the building our project just in seconds. So let's wait. Look at it will just start in second and complete everything. So it will ask, do you want dark modern, light professional, bold technical? Which style do you prefer? Like light professional. I would like to go with this design. So the project has been completed. It has user authentication, dashboard, projects, and tasks. So now let's test it. Okay, you can see the interface of this project on the right side, but let's press this button to view it in a new tab. So it will load our project. This is the login page, okay, to create our account. So let's, instead of login, we will move to the register. Down you can see the register button. Let's press register button. So we will come here to the create account and let's type our name and email and password. So let's type a password like, so after typing your password, let's press create account. So as you can see, so I have created my account. So after creating the account, now you can see this is the dashboard. Welcome user account has been created. That's it. And a very clean user interface, a sidebar. And here you can see the role is as admin. So we can log out by pressing this button. We have dashboard, notification, and settings. Move to the settings. So you can change your name and you can change the password. That's it. Come here back. So now let's create a project. Right now we don't have any project. So by pressing this button or the type button, we can press this and create a new project. So let's assign a new project name like building AI chatbot. So here you can type the description and the status. The test that is in progress and completed or planning. So for example, that is in progress, and create this project. So you can see that we have one project, and this is our project which is in progress. Look at, yeah, that is, let's click this. Simply, let's go back and tasks done, completed, in progress. Let's press this project. So after coming here, now we have to do 0, in progress 0, done 0. So let's now add tasks. Okay, as you can see this button, so let's add a task. So the task is just like user interface, for example. And here you can add the description and the priority. The priority is like medium, that's it, status, to do, in progress, are done. So let's write in progress, and due date. So for the date, like for example, select just one date and create task. So as you can see, that is in progress, our task. And this is the card that you can see. You can edit it, and even you can delete this by pressing this delete button. You can add another task like API and detail, medium, like high, and that is to do. And here task like art, date, like this. So this is to do, okay, the high. It is, the priority is high. So the interface looks like this. If you want to edit it by pressing this, you can edit this, and let's, for example, make it the priority to low and to do like done. Save changes. So look at, now it is in done. So it means this is our project with task. The project was building AI chatbot, and these are the tasks that we want to do and follow. Let's go back. So let's create another project, like for example, that is backend API. Description and planning, that is like completed. Okay, let's create project. So as you can see, this has been completed. We have one project which has completed. We have two projects and tasks to done, one have to, because one has already completed. That's it. So just one problem that we have, for example, we click settings, so the sidebar disappears. So I will just refine and describe it that we faced with this error, so it will solve this problem. I will just describe it. So I described the problem, and now let's continue and solve this problem, and we will fix. So it will just solve this problem. Let's wait. So it has updated the code for us. Now let's press notification, as you can see, and also come here to the settings. Now we are on the same page, and we can change. Before we had the problem, okay, like here, it will update now. Okay, the code has been updated. Go back to the notification and to the dashboard. So this was all about our project that I explained you. So let's press this log out button. Okay, so we will log out. So we logged out from our website. So to publish this website, we can press simply this publish button. So it will live our website, and we can share it with others, and we can see the live website and the web application that we have created. So it was all about Logen AI app builder without any complexity like publishing your app or configuring backend or database. So you can do everything all in one page. So that was all about Logen.io website. If you want to try this out yourself, Logen lets you start without a credit card and gives you free credits to test the platform. Try Logen and build your first full stack app using the tracking link down in the description and pinned in the comments. Thank you guys for watching. If you want to see more coding and AI tutorials and honest tool reviews, hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next one.